Hi everyone, I'm Todd Sepulveda, the editor of Prepper Website and the host of the Prepper Website podcast. This is going to be a quick unboxing, or maybe I should say an unwrapping of the Bioscarf. Now, the Bioscarf was sent to me in black and also camouflage. It says the Bioscarf is the world's first scarf with a built-in N95 air filter, and so that's pretty interesting there. It protects you from 99.75% of air pollutants, and it filters out bacteria, dust, pet dander, smoke and pollution, cold and flu, and pollen. And so did a little bit of research as I knew that it was coming to me. The Bioscarf, it's about 84 inches long and 9 inches across, right? And, it looks pretty stylish. I mean, it's a black, definitely a black one, right? So I'm going to use that. I have a black jacket that I wear on a regular basis. And so you would use it like a regular scarf, like you would normally wear a regular scarf on a cold day. But the thing is that it provides, it's a filter. So it's made out of polyester. The thing about, like an N95 mask is you're going to use it once, maybe a few times, and then you're going to have to throw it away. This scarf you can use multiple times. And once you need to, you can hand wash it, and then it's still good to go. So it has, the technology kind of built into the layers of the scarf to get you to, be able to use it as an N95. So I probably wouldn't be wearing it like an N95 or wouldn't be wearing it to deal with pollutants on a regular basis, but definitely you can wear it this way. And of course, I need to figure out how I would do it to be able to do this. Of course, people on the website look so stylish when they do it, right? I don't know. So something like this, I guess. This is you saw I opened it up, so I haven't played around with it, but I don't know. It like I said, the thing that I like about it is that it's stylish. It's not like some, you got the camouflage. There's I'm hoping the microphone can pick me up there. There's a white one, there's a black one, there's a camouflage one. There is also a green one, like a military green there. And then they also have gaiters where you can just kind of put it around your neck and you can just kind of drop it up and down like this. At the time that I looked at their website, they were sold out. But it's very interesting, a very interesting product. Of course, it could be just a little bit too warm during the summer months when you're wearing it. But if it is one of those things where you can keep in a bug out bag or you can keep with you to filter out all the pollutants, and I mean definitely cold and flu and we always talk about pandemics and junk like that. I mean, wow, how powerful would that be to be able to have that? And to be able to quickly put it on and not like have to go through like a bag or something to break it out, right? And just be able to just go from here to here and feel like you would be you would feel protected from inhaling all the other pollutants and smoke and all the other junk that's out there. So again, it's 99.75% of pollutants it takes care of. One of the cool things is on their website, a lot of the times when you look at products like this and they say they've been tested and all that kind of stuff, you're just kind of taking their word for it. They actually have documentation from the lab. They sent it to an FDA lab that tests out, different like masks and pollutants and all that kind of stuff. And they sent it, and so they sent back the documentation, whatever, right? And so they put that up on their website. So you can go and you can check that out on their website. They also have a program where if you make a purchase through them, then they also give back. And so they have that built into their into their business. So that's always good when you can support a business that does that. So anyway, like I said, this is just a quick unwrapping because it doesn't really come in a box, and it was delivered pretty quickly. I like the way it looks. I have a leather jacket. I'm going to be able to wear it with that, and no one's going to know that it is, it's doing double duty. We always talk about those pieces of gear that can do double duty in preparedness, and it's going to be one of those things that can do that. And then if I need to, during the months where it's not cold enough to have a scarf like this, then I can go ahead and roll it up and keep it in a bag, in my bug out bag or in my kit or something like that. So it would be small enough to do that. So guys, that is it. This is the Bioscarf. Again, I'm going to link to the website and also to Amazon where you can go purchase it in the description of this video if you're interested in it. And definitely, I think, like I said, it's stylish. It does it filters out like an N95 mask would. And I think it's definitely worth a look into for preparedness for those of us who are preppers and self-reliant and to have that. So anyway, thanks so much for taking a look at this video. Hey, if you will like it and let us know what you think, that would greatly be appreciated. Thanks so much. God bless. Peace.